Hey guys, I hope you're doing great today. Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the top 3 credit cards for you for this year of 2021. Let's jump into this. If you aren't already subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button so that I can bring you quick financial tips in the future. I try to bring them as quickly as possible and efficiently without wasting any of your time. Let's dive into this.
Cheetos!
$1 million. This is your quick and easy stimulus update, stimulus check update, financial update, and all the updates. Let's go. So let's jump into this with the first credit card that you should get if you're a beginner looking to start your credit journey. That is the Discover It secured credit card. This card is a secured card. You would put the money up front and it is secured by that money, and then you can build your credit. They have no annual fee. You'll get 2% back on the first $1,000 that you spend, and then you'll get 1% back on everything else. It's a wonderful card to start your credit journey and start building credit. The second credit card is a card that every single person needs in their credit card lineup. You gotta have it. That is the Bank of America Cash Rewards card. You are gonna get a $200 sign-up bonus for spending $1,000 in the first 3 months. Just spend like normal and you'll get $200 back. Totally free, no tricks, nothing. You just get the money. They'll also give you 3% back on a category of your choice, 2% back at all grocery stores, and 1% back on everything else. No annual fee. Seriously, if you don't have the Bank of America credit card yet, you have to get it. It is a fantastic card. I will link it down in my bio. Again, you will get a $200 sign-up bonus if you spend $1,000 in the first 3 months, and you get 3% back on a category of your choice, 2% back on all your grocery shopping. It's one of the best cards you can have in your wallet. I use it often, so be sure to check it out. Be sure to get it if you don't have it. Lastly, but definitely not least, is the Apple credit card. This credit card is wonderful because there is no annual fee. Again, as well, you get 2% back on everything. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. It's very simple. 2% back on everything plus 3% back on your Apple products. So it really is a fantastic card. Some other cards that I would recommend, if you're a Costco shopper, get the Citi Costco credit card. You gotta have it. It's wonderful. 4% back on gas, 2% in the store, plus another 2% if you have their executive membership. Get the Costco credit card if you shop at Costco. Other fantastic cards to look at is if you shop at a specific store, check and see if they have a credit card for you. Sometimes they offer 4 to 5% back at that store because it's their own store's credit card. Those are wonderful options as well if you're a specific shopper. Check them out, you guys. Amazon credit card, again, another fantastic credit card to have if you're a big Amazon shopper and you do lots of shopping online. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for all your support. If you enjoyed this, if it was helpful in any way, click the like button. Helps the video out tremendously, helps push it to more people. And I appreciate you guys. Thanks so much for subscribing. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.